Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to insert viewport. So for example, I will create a rectangle object and a circle object. Now you can go to the layout. Okay, I will choose the layout one. So it will be show for the viewport. Now you can select the viewport and press delete. Now if you want to insert new viewport, you can type MV, press enter, and you can click like from this counter points to this button. So it will be create a new viewport. You can double click and you can show for the objects in here. So to close, you can click twice outside, and to insert again, you can type viewport or you can type mview and press enter. Now you can click from this corner to the bottom here, and the next will be show for the new viewport. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to insert viewport.